Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with our remote teaching and a learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning! A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard Nursery, Junior KG and Senior KG. Subject EVS. Topic Visit to a vegetable market. Hi students, meet Swara and her mother. They both are planning to go to a vegetable market to buy fresh, healthy vegetables. This is the inside view of a vegetable market what Swara saw. She was quite excited to see colorful, fresh and neatly arranged vegetables. They both came near a vegetable stall. Let us have a look what all things are present in the stall. Person selling the vegetable is known as a vendor. Place where he arranges vegetables is known as a stall. He has segregated his vegetables on shelves or racks. He has a menu board at his stall to display the name of vegetables he has. And yes, he has many vegetables. We can also see a price board to display the price of each vegetable. So, let us see the first box. It contains onions, potatoes and tomatoes. Yes, these are basic vegetables required for cooking. Here comes the second box. It contains root vegetables. Do you all know root vegetables helps us to boost our energy? First one is sweet potato, normally consumed during fasting. Carrot, which promotes healthy eyes. Radish, beetroot and garlic. Oh wow, this rack is so colorful and all are my favorite vegetables. First one is cucumber. It is normally consumed raw. Sweet corn, capsicum. They are in three colors: green, red and yellow. Here comes the king of vegetables, brinjal. Green peas. And why this vegetable is kept outside the rack? Oh yes, because it is so huge. And he is pumpkin. Here comes the healthiest family of vegetables. They are green vegetables. Let us have a look. And they are cabbage, spinach, fenugreek leaves. Normally they are chopped finely, cooked and served as vegetables. Or mummy mixes them with flour and rolls parathas out of them. Fourth one is colocasia. They are overlapped over each other with healthy spice batter and colocasia rolls are made out of it. And here comes mustard leaves. Mouth-watering dish from North India known as sarson ka saag is made out of it. Oh wow! Vegetables in this rack adds taste to our food. And yes, they are also very healthy. First one is coriander leaves, normally used for garnishing. Mint leaves, curry leaves, lemon, green chilies and ginger. Don't you think these are some new vegetables? Yes, they were not seen in our markets before. But now farmers cultivate them. As they are non-native vegetables, they are known as exotic vegetables. So let us have a look at them. And they are asparagus, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, parsley, celery, red cabbage, zucchini and lettuce. Swara and her mother have selected many vegetables to take them home. They gave order to the vendor. The vendor weighed the vegetables using a weighing machine. Billed the amount using billing machine. He used cloth bag and few paper bags to pack the vegetables. Swara's mother saw the bill and gave him money. After counting the money, vendor placed the money in the cash drawer and returned the change to Swara's mother. She kept the change in her wallet. Kids, as we all know, there is a pandemic outbreak all over. It is suggested to avoid public places and crowded places. Still, if in case you happen to visit a market, you have to follow many rules. And they are: always accompany your parents. Prefer using reusable face mask. Use hand sanitizer. And maintain minimum 1.5 meter distance from other individuals. Prefer using tissue paper. Use dustbins. And avoid any conversation or interaction with strangers. Kids, now it is an activity time. Let us identify few vegetables. Let us identify cabbage. Yes, this is a cabbage. Which one of this is a radish? Yes, this is a radish. Which of these is known as a beetroot? Yes, this is a beetroot. Kids, now with the help of your parents, match the picture of the vegetables with their names. First one is done for you. Thank you, children. Happy learning.